We are going to do a video on simple decoupage. And what simple decoupage is, or rather what decoupage is it's the art of using colored pieces of paper and gluing it onto a surface or object. So any surface or any object with varnish or lacquer. And in this case it'll be a simple decoupage lacquer, which is glue, white school glue, and water. Some things you'll need are a sponge applicator. So this sponge applicator is just from the 25 assorted brushes that I bought. A dish to hold the glue and water mixture. Scissors to cut your pieces of paper. A surface to glue those pieces of paper, so I'm using 2-inch clay pots from Michaels. And any paper you want to use, so wrapping paper, wallpaper, or tissue paper. But I don't have that with me at the moment, and something to measure your liquids. So let's get started. We are going to first we're going to clear out the area, and I'm going to clear out the area and make the simple decoupage glue mixture. So you're going to use 1 part water, 1 part water to 3 parts glue. You don't have to be exact with this, just kind of open your glue bottle up and just go. So 3 parts glue to 1 part water, as I said earlier. Okay, that should be enough. If you think it's too liquidy, you can always add more. Now we're going to take a spatula or a spoon or a chopstick, whatever you have, and mix this together. So we're just mixing the glue and water till it's a consistent paste. Liquidy paste, so like that. Now we have our glue done, our glue mixture. Sometimes you might want to cover your workspace with newspaper if you have little kids around. But now we're going to take our surface, which is the 2-inch clay pot, and the best material to work with is tissue paper. I actually found tissue paper, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut pieces of it out. They can be in strips, they can be in random pieces, it doesn't really matter. So you can use strips, you can cut them up like this. Ooh, hopefully you guys can see. However you want to cut it, you can just cut them. Tissue paper is the best to work with because it's thin, and it'll take to the glue really well. Alright, so that should be enough for now. And the first thing you want to do is you want to dip your sponge applicator in the glue and put a nice thin coating on your surface. So in this case, the clay terracotta pot. If you're doing a pot, I don't recommend you do it to the bottom because that's where all the water is going to come out, so you might get it kind of wet. Okay. Put a thin coat on, and then take your first piece of tissue paper and just lay it on however you like. So just like so. And remember, after you lay one piece on, to go over it with some glue, just to make sure it stays. Then you can take the next piece and lay it down again, like so. And then remember, take some glue, brush over it. And then you keep doing this until you've filled up the whole pot, or however you like it. I'm going to use another color of tissue paper just to add dimension. It's going to be kind of light blue color. I can show you like this. And when I come back, hopefully I'll be done.